Relationships are like pearls. If one falls, you should bend down and pick it up. A great book is worth 100 good friends, but one true friend is like a library. Self respect is also shown by keeping distance from those who don't value you. Whoever dedicates themselves to Allah's work, Allah attends to their affairs. The wrong people in our lives often help us understand the true meaning of life. Missing a prayer is the greatest loss, greater than any worldly loss. Repenting itself is a form of pity. Wudu purifies the face, the Quran purifies the mind, and the prayer purifies the generation. When the mind rusts, the tongue starts speaking uselessly. Make it a habit to greet everyone warmly. It increases friends and decreases enemies. If you wrong someone, be prepared to face your turn eventually. If you cannot progress yourself, don't close your eyes when others do. Appearances may change over time, but nature remains the same. Silence is often the best answer to all questions. Peace is not man's achievement, it is a gift from God. To reach Allah, you don't need to die, you need to kill your desires. The success you seek calls you 5 times a day. Hatred has never changed anyone. To change everything around you, you must first change yourself. Ask from Allah, who is in need of none. Allah changes situations, no trial lasts forever. Life isn't granted to everyone who leaves. If you want to be happy in this world, know this. No one cares if you cry. Walking the path of truth has one advantage. There is no crowd. Thousands of relationships, yet none are truly yours except Allah. When relatives start speaking against you, know you are on the right path. When people show their true colors, believe that's who they really are. Don't hurt anyone, they might love you like life to a dying person. A true friend is someone you love even when apart. Only Allah values falling tears and broken hearts. Those who truly love you will stop you from pointless and wrongful actions. Showing anger is better than harboring hatred. The one who remembers death often finds contentment in little of this world. The smaller the mind, the longer the tongue. Always remind loved ones of their values, or time will teach them to live without you. Silent prayers and love hold immense strength.